Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarm-Grid. Today I'm going to be going over how you can arm the IQ2 from your phone. Now, first of all, the IQ2 uses alarm.com in order to arm and disarm, and to get alarm.com it requires some level of monitoring. So the IQ2 is not like some of the other systems that we may have that you can actually use an app locally as long as it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network to arm your system while you're there from your phone. Instead, it actually uses the alarm.com service, and alarm.com does require a cellular connection in order to be activated. Now, for those of you that have an IQ2 Plus or just an IQ2, you guys are lucky because the panel actually comes with a cellular communicator already built in. Whether you guys decided to get the AT&T or Verizon flavor, you guys have a cellular communicator in the system, so all you have to do is sign up with a monitoring company and get it activated on their correct plan that includes the alarm.com service on your phone. Now, if you guys are Alarm-Grid customers, this is going to be self-gold, gold, self-platinum, or platinum. So we have different kinds of plans for those folks who want to have central station monitoring and those folks who just want to self-monitor. So you just want the app, no central station. Now, once you get set up on the alarm.com application, that's when you guys can actually start using your phones, your tablets, the website to actually arm and disarm the system. You can control Z-Wave devices from the alarm.com app. So if you guys have like Z-Wave sirens, lights, locks, thermostats, even video cameras at that point, as a matter of fact, if you guys have them all viewable and being able to be controlled through your IQ2 system, then you guys can also control it through the alarm.com if you guys have the correct service enabled. All right, now I accidentally hit something on my IQ2 here. Let me go ahead and just raise the volume up for you guys so we can actually show you when we arm it with the tablet. So right now I'm working with an iPad tablet. I'm gonna open up my alarm.com app. It does not matter whether you're using an iPad, whether you're using an iPhone, an Android phone, or even a website. You'll still be able to remotely control your alarm system from anywhere in the world as long as you have connection with your device and as long as your panel is connected to the internet service or cellular service. All right, it does have Wi-Fi built in as well for those of you, but you still need cellular to activate. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the alarm.com app on my tablet here. Now mine is automatically set to remember login, so as soon as I log in, it's going to automatically go to my home screen. So as you guys see here, it takes me to my main screen. It shows me the status of the security system. Right now it shows disarmed. It's actually alarm.com has made the app, or actually I'm sorry, IQ2, the Qolsys, has designed their panel to look exactly like the alarm.com app. So if you take a look at the app and then you put it side by side to the actual panel, it's the same icon, same kind of layout almost. So when you go to your security system and you tap on system disarmed, which is that green shield, it's going to bring up the options of whether you want to arm away or if you want to arm stay. I'm just going to do an arm away right now just to show you guys that the commands actually go through. My tablet's connected to the Wi-Fi. If you guys are doing this through your cell phone, you guys can also send it through your cellular data through your phone, right? So I'm going to do arm away on my tablet.
Remote arm away. Front door bypassed.
And as you see, it's almost instantaneous. Now, a lot of you, oh, well, you know, he's right next to the panel. Me being right next to the panel has nothing to do with anything. It actually just, it's all about the connection between the device you're using to, I guess, the cloud servers for alarm.com and the connection between your IQ2 panel and the Wi-Fi or cellular service. Now, if you guys are experiencing delays, it could be one, your Wi-Fi is slow, or two, if you're using cellular only, you just may not have good cellular reception in that area. So if you guys are experiencing any lags between the app and the panel, it could just be because of a connection issue. I can actually go ahead and disarm it as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on that shield, the red shield, system armed away. It'll bring up my disarm.
Remote disarm.
And instantaneously my IQ2 goes into a disarmed state. Now, I don't have any like Z-Wave devices, cameras on my tablet. So right now I'm just showing you guys how to arm and disarm it. Uh, and Again, this is done through the alarm.com service, and you need a monitoring company to enable the alarm.com service for you. If you guys have any questions about the IQ2, how to get it monitored, how to get it set up, if you guys want to sign up for one of our monitoring plans, please contact us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable the notifications so when we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.